Looking for your first online ESL job in 2026? No experience? No problem. In this video, I'll share some beginner-friendly ESL companies that are hiring this 2026, including their requirements, salary range, and why they are a great choice for new teachers like you. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Teacher Angel. If you are dreaming of working from home as an online ESL teacher but don't have any teaching experience yet, don't worry. Many ESL companies are open to beginners and provide training to help you get started. Are you ready? Let's start. First is Akatoc. Akatoc is one of the most popular choices for beginners in the Philippines. They provide teaching materials and training, making it easier for new teachers to start. Their estimated pay, 80 to 200 pesos per hour. Students ranging from kids to working professionals and adults. They also offer study abroad consultancy services and structured interactive courseware, just like IELTS and TOEIC. For their requirements, you must be at least 18 years old, fluent in English, must have laptop or desktop, headset, and stable internet connection. Next on the list is Native Camp. Native Camp is another excellent option because you don't need prior teaching experience. You can teach students from different countries and choose your own schedule. Estimated pay, 70 to 180 per hour. A massive user base primarily focused on Japanese learners looking to improve conversational skills. They require a stable internet connection, a working webcam, and a headset. This is a good platform if you want flexibility while gaining teaching experience. Third is Engoo. Engoo is a beginner-friendly and teaches mostly adult and teenage students from different countries. It offers one-on-one classes for 25-minute video lessons tailored to individual skill levels. Estimated pay, 90 to 160 pesos per hour. Learners span across Asia, Europe, and Latin America, ranging from young children to working adults and retirees. You'll need a laptop or desktop, webcam, headset, and a quiet teaching environment. Fourth on the list is Weblio Philippines. Weblio is a good choice for those who want structured lessons with Japanese students. It is widely known for running a massive Japanese-English online dictionary and machine translation tools, while also operating an extensive online English tutorial platform that employs home-based tutors. The rate, 90 to 180 per hour. Weblio students generally refers to Japanese learners who use Weblio Ikaiwa, an online English conversational tutoring service operated by Weblio. These students range from complete beginners to advanced speakers looking to improve their professional or conversational English skills. For their requirements, you'll need a TIN ID or number, a stable internet connection, a laptop or desktop, and good English communication skills. Next is Rare Job Philippines, a prominent online English teaching platform that connects home-based Filipino ESL tutors with students, predominantly Japanese professionals and learners. Founded in 2007, it offers flexible remote work with no fixed minimum hours and provides pre-made learning materials for 25-minute one-on-one video lessons. The pay, 90 to 200 per hour. Most Rare Job students are Japanese learners of English ranging from young kids to senior citizens, with a large portion being working professionals looking to improve their global business communication skills. If you're patient and willing to learn, Rare Job can be a great place to build your experience. And last but not the least, 5 on Talk. 5 on Talk is another company that accepts beginners. They provide training and teaching materials to help new teachers succeed. Founded over 15 years ago and listed on the New York Stock Exchange, it serves learners across 50 plus countries with tens of thousands of instructors. Offers live, one-on-one, and group interactive digital English lessons focused on vocabulary, conversation, reading, and writing. Their estimated earnings around 18,000 to 25,000 per month for many part-time teachers, depending on bookings and teaching hours. 5 on Talk students are primarily young learners aged 3 to 15 from various global regions, predominantly China, but expanding into other Asian, Middle Eastern, and European countries who take one-on-one live interactive English lessons online. To become an online English teacher at 5 on Talk, you need a bachelor's degree, fluent English with a neutral accent, a Windows 10 PC, a 25 Mbps wired internet connection, an HD webcam, and a noise canceling headset. Teachers, before applying, please prepare these following requirements: updated resume, introduction video, quiet teaching space, noise canceling headset, laptop or desktop, and a stable internet connection. Practice your self introduction and demo lesson because these are very important during hiring process. Remember, every experienced ESL teacher started as a beginner. Don't wait until you feel perfect. Apply, practice, learn from every interview, and keep improving. If one company doesn't hire you, don't give up. There are many opportunities waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to teach English online. See you in my next video. Goodbye.